If you guys remember, about a year ago, I decided to prep my own teeth, my lower front four teeth, because I absolutely didn't like them, and I tried clear aligners, so they didn't work out. So I came in, I prepped my teeth, I designed my front four veneers, super thin, and then I bonded them in a sea of saliva. Really hard to bond stuff on yourself, guys. Don't recommend it. But this is the way they were the day of delivery. And then we've been following them over the course of the year to see how they've been performing. But today has been close to the 1 year mark, so I wanted to take a look. The first thing is people say, why did you go with printed? Well, look at my maxillary teeth. There's giant wear facets. I did not want to put porcelain there and risk destroying my maxillary teeth. And so what I did now is at the 1 year mark, I scanned my veneers and overlaid them to the original scan of the day of placement. And I found that what I see is we have very minimum to no wear, maybe 100 microns or less, or actually zero on some teeth. And then it's right in line with my natural tooth wear. And so this is a really good result. I'm really excited about how this performed at the 1 year mark. This is the photo of the 1 year mark and a close-up macro. No edits to this, showing all the standing and everything like that. So I think, what are my conclusions? I think that this is a viable alternative to direct resin veneers and maybe potentially a more affordable option than porcelain veneers.